Barranco do We are here at the top of the hilly mountains of Monchique in the area of Alfairs to be exact, and we are here. Experience the trail of the Barranco do Dim. Look at the panorama. So vast. Barranco do Dimo meaning Devil's Gorge. You can park upstairs at a small cemetery. There's a space for a few cars. Farther back are some places available. Then it goes down about 1 kilometer on a normal forest path to the start of the bridge where we are now. About 220 steps lead down into the gorge. Then comes the suspension bridge, and on the other side it goes up about 360 steps again. The staircase is divided into steps of 10 to 12 steps, I guess, which makes walking relatively convenient. And there is a massive railing on both sides, so it's not that scary. I am afraid of heights, but I can bear this. We're halfway now, going to the bridge, hanging bridge. Persons at a time, or else you fall down. This is... Hi! Ja! Oh, you're not really scared? Crossing the gorge is not a problem for those who are afraid of heights like me. The suspension bridge is not that very high. It's completely safe to walk on. Let's try. So we decided going down to the stream and take some photos there and relax there. Then to go up on the other side of the gorge.
Yan, maraming tilapia dyan.
Maraming tilapia?
Bumaba ka rin.
Kunyari lang daw. She's on acting mode. Oh, it's nice. Oh, di ba?
Yan, kukunin natin.
Sana
no?
sila? Oh, dito naman. Uy, ang ganda. Nice. Oh.
Video. Video now.
Oh, we have to start to go up in the staircase. But only 5 at a time, right? After them. Oh my god. The trail extended there on the other side of the hill. The craggy, challenging landscape reveals that the Algarve offers much more than its renowned sunny beaches. The Barranco de Dimo walkways are open to the public throughout the year. However, the best time of the year to visit is from late September to early June. Walking in summer can be too uncomfortable. If you visit here during hottest month, your best bet is to hike during the early morning hours or at dusk. Climbing stairs turned out to be a serious workout, really, and required quite a bit of effort.
Malapit na tayo sa katotohanan. Almost there.
Maganda view.
At last, we are here at the top. Table and benches are available on both sides of the Pasadico. We brought something to eat here. Good thing we brought some waters with us. You need this. And of course, we have some biscuits and other food to eat. Time to relax with that very long climb. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.